Imagine a cozy treehouse where you keep your secret snacks, your comics, and your walkie-talkie. Your best friends can climb up, but the grumpy neighbor's dog cannot. So how does the treehouse know exactly who to let in and who to keep out? An access control list is simply a guest list for a computer. It is a set of rules that names who is allowed in, who is blocked, and what each visitor may do. The doorkeeper reads the list top to bottom and decides in a blink. So the guest list is powerful, but each rule is tiny and simple. Every rule answers 3 questions. Who is knocking? What do they want to do? And should we allow or deny it? Put those pieces together and you get one clear instruction the doorkeeper can follow. Now that we know a rule names who, let us meet the visitors. On a computer, the who might be a person, a group of friends, or even another program. Each one carries a name tag, and the doorkeeper matches that name tag against the list. Remember the visitors with their name tags. The list also decides what each one may do once inside. Maybe you can read a comic but not scribble on it. Maybe you can add snacks but never throw them out. Read, write, and delete are the usual choices. So how does the doorkeeper choose? It reads the list from the very top, rule by rule, and stops at the first rule that matches the visitor. That rule wins, and the rest are ignored. This is why the order of the rules matters more than you might think. But watch what happens if the order is wrong. Suppose a broad, allow everyone rule sits above your careful block the dog rule. The doorkeeper matches, allow everyone first and never reaches the block. The dog strolls right in. One misplaced line can undo all your careful planning. So the fix is a simple habit. Put your specific rules first and your broad rules last. Block the dog at the top, then allow the friends below. Now the doorkeeper meets the block first and the treehouse stays safe. Careful ordering turns chaos back into calm. There is one more secret rule hiding at the very bottom. If no rule on the list matches you at all, the answer is simply no. This invisible deny everything else keeps surprises out. On safe systems, silence always means stay outside, not come on in. Let us see this in a real place, your files. Every document, photo, and folder can carry its own little guest list. Your teacher may read the class notes, only you may edit your diary, and strangers get nothing at all. Each file guards itself. Now zoom out from files to whole networks. Routers use access lists too, checking little packets of data like letters at a gate. Good letters from trusted places pass through. Suspicious ones are stopped before they reach your computer. It is the same guest list idea, just for internet traffic. So why go to all this trouble? Because the safest guest list gives everyone just enough and nothing extra. Your friend who only wants a comic does not need the snack key too. Handing out only what is truly needed keeps mistakes small and accidents rare. Now that the list is small and tidy, we should peek at it now and then. People change, friendships change, and old rules can go stale. Checking the guest list regularly lets us remove visitors who moved away and spot any name that should not be there. So picture the whole thing in motion. A visitor knocks, the doorkeeper reads the tidy list top to bottom, finds the first matching rule, and allows or denies in an instant. Files, folders, and networks all lean on this same quiet helper. Next, let us gather everything we learned. So remember, an access control list is a guest list of rules. Each rule names who, what they may do, and allow or deny. The doorkeeper reads top to bottom, first match wins, and anything unlisted stays outside. Give just enough and check the list often.